Software setup is streamlined and intuitive with the Eclipse. The first step is to log into the Sievers Eclipse software with your unique user ID and password. When you first log in, you'll see that your home screen is the assay setup. This allows you to get started analyzing samples very quickly. The drop-down menu in the upper left gives you convenient access to navigate all elements of the software. You can create a new template from here, or open the menu and choose one of your saved assay templates for rapid routine testing setup. Verify the pre-populated information for accuracy. Use the barcode scanner to scan the serial number of your microplate. Here, on the Sample tab, you can verify your saved samples or add LIMS IDs and lot numbers as needed. On the Accessories tab, using the pre-populated library, you can easily add all pipettes, dilution tubes, and any other consumables for tracking and trending purposes. At this point, you can click Start Assay and prepare your microplate.